Remedies. Remedies is a big one. Now, there are two main sets of remedies under contract law. First, there are monetary damages. Second, there's equitable and injunctive relief, including the remedy of specific performance, which might be compelled by way of an injunction. Now, in common law jurisdictions such as the United States, monetary damages are the default. They're the primary remedy, whereas specific performance, an order to perform, is the secondary or backup remedy. Interestingly, in civil law jurisdictions such as France, Germany, Quebec, all of continental Europe, the general trend is that specific performance is the go-to, whereas monetary damages are the backup. Monetary damages are ordered in cases that don't really permit of specific performance. So again, common law jurisdictions are sort of the inverse of civil law jurisdictions when it comes to remedies. But if I'm a movie producer, do I like the idea that if I have breached my contract with the talent, that the talent could seek an injunction, some form of equitable relief, perhaps seek an injunction preventing the distribution and the exploitation of the movie? If I'm the producer, the answer is no, I really don't like that. One breach of a contract with one actor shouldn't prevent an entire movie and the fruits of many, many people's labor from seeing the light of day. A clause that is ubiquitous in talent deals, but also in various other types of deals across the movie industry, is a remedies clause. And that remedies clause addresses that incompatibility of a breach resulting in the prohibition of a film being distributed. So what this clause generally says is that in the event that a producer breaches the contract with talent, the talent's remedy is limited to an action at law to seek monetary damages. And that talent waives the right to seek equitable or injunctive relief and to potentially interfere with the development, production, exploitation, advertising, and promotion of the film. Now, that's a very, very important clause. And again, it's ubiquitous across most types of movie industry and television industry contracts.